Just some middle of the night musings on the nature of human interaction. Guys, we have a problem. A lot of men out there don't know how to talk to women, and I think I've finally figured out why. I think it's safe to say that most of us, both men and women, we want to get laid. We want to talk to sexy people. We want people to acknowledge us as viable and virile human beings worthy of their time. At the same time, there are a lot of lonely people out there with social anxiety. Personal communication is fucking hard, especially with new people. I mean, how do you make new friends? I think that's a question that a lot of us struggle with. Even a smooth talking sex machine like me has difficulty with it. So we humans watch each other and we take social cues off people that we see as more successful than ourselves. And this, my friends, is what I think is the root of the problem. There's a different level of interaction that takes place between close friends than what takes place between strangers. Friends have a familiarity and joke around a lot with each other. I'll give you an example. I have a friend named Brianna. She enjoys casually walking up behind me and grabbing my ass when she notices me at the bar. Then I'll turn around and spot her, and I'll say something insulting, like, nice tits, cunt, but who fucked up your face? And we carry on like this, buying each other beer and joking around and talking until one of us notices something more interesting to do. It's common for friends to flirt, joke around, and insult each other playfully. But you do not talk like that to strangers. So, when one of you trilby wearing neckbeards is out there trying to learn how to talk to girls, and you see friends interacting like what I just described, you notice positive feedback for insulting behavior, and you internalize that knowledge. Then you put it to use saying insulting things to people that you want positive attention from. The catch is that kind of interaction only works with people that you have a pre existing level of familiarity with. It's not how you make friends, but it's how friends behave after they're already familiar. Similar rules apply for lovers. If you want to fuck a girl, don't presume intimacy that isn't already there. Get to know her first. Unless it's a hooker, you pretty much just pay them and leave. I'm just scratching the surface here. A lot of y'all need help. If there's a positive response to this video, I'll try and make more on the topic. And to the rest of y'all, the only way to make douchebags and neckbeards extinct is to teach them social skills. If you see someone acting like a douche, try to be understanding. Annoying as they can be, they're just lost little balls of shivering social anxiety. Nobody taught them the social skills, and they aren't going to learn on their own. So go ahead and strike up a conversation, a sincere conversation with them on a random topic. Just don't give them your real name or your contact info. You don't need them following you around like a lost puppy. It's fucking tragic. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and hit subscribe. And feel free to share the video with somebody that you think might need the information. Out there to help the world, one douchebag at a time.